Welcome back. In this video, we will be discussing the importance of periodization and how it plays a role throughout the year. We're taking out all the BS and providing you with a straightforward, to-the-point periodization flow that is based on the art and science of thousands of hours of fitness success. And if you haven't already, make sure you download the Ultimate Training Guide to follow along. The link is in the description below. Today, we're going to talk about the 52-week periodization chart. As you can tell with this chart that's up on the screen right now, this is 52 weeks. This flow showcases the journey that most fitness enthusiasts embark on, with the start of a year being the most common starting point, January 1st, New Year's Day. This chart outlines the typical flow that one might take throughout the year. Typically in the early months of February, March, and April, it's your base phase, where you start building the foundation of your success. It slowly starts moving into more specific training, like performance or explosiveness and power training. Also, you might start working in a lot more cardiovascular endurance as you come up into the May timeframe. By June, many times the summer months come and hot weather comes along. In addition, many race series start during this time. This is where maintenance or even starting to learn how to peak your body for the races starts coming into play. During the summer months, you have fun doing the things that you want to do outside, as well as preparing for races that might happen 2 or maybe even 3 times a month. As the season starts changing and you head into September, a lot of kids go back to school and things start changing, where it's back to school, back to you, where September is now the new year. A lot of families start changing things up and you start getting back into a fitness routine. Here you might want to survive the holidays and work out really hard by the time Thanksgiving and the holidays of Christmas and Hanukkah come along. Or you might even want to start taking some recovery after a long year of training. That's what it's all about. Once you start understanding the different phases that might come throughout the year, you start learning how this is a nice cycle of flow and structure that you can take so that you peak for ultimate performance. Make sure that you download the Ultimate Guide in the description below if you haven't already, and follow along. We're going to be breaking down in more detail all the charts within this guide to help you create the success that you want in your fitness. Take care.